Coal gang includes gang in the process of roadway excavation, gang extracted from roof, floor, and interlayer in the process of mining, and washing gang picked out in the process of coal washing. The correct use of coal gang pelleting equipment can not only ensure the personal safety of the staff, but also improve the service life. How to repair and maintain the coal gang ball press. Generally speaking, in order to ensure the normal production of coal gang ball press and improve the service life of the equipment, should be equipped with special personnel to operate, maintain and repair the equipment. Regularly check the following work. A connection is firm. 2. Reduce a gear tooth surface contact. 3. Check the temperature rise of each part. Refueling on time. Replace the new oil and so on.